Is your Vornado heater blowing cold air instead of warm air? This is a common issue with several straightforward solutions. We'll walk through the most effective troubleshooting steps to get your heater working properly again. First, verify that your heater has power and is properly positioned. Make sure it's plugged into a working electrical outlet. You can test this by plugging in another device. The heater must be placed on a level, stable surface to engage the tip-over safety switch, which prevents operation if the unit is tilted. Next, check your electrical panel for tripped circuit breakers. A tripped breaker will be in the middle position between on and off. To reset it, first push the breaker fully to the off position, then switch it back to on. This restores power to the circuit. Check your heater's temperature settings. Set the thermostat to the highest temperature and ensure the heat setting is on high. Give the heater time to warm up the room. If it starts producing heat, you can gradually lower the thermostat to your desired temperature. If your heater has overheated, the automatic safety shutoff system may have activated. To reset it, turn off and unplug the heater completely. Remove any objects blocking airflow, then wait 5 to 10 minutes for the unit to cool down. After cooling, plug it back in and turn it on. Finally, ensure proper airflow by removing any obstructions around the heater. Dust and debris can block the air intake and outlet grills, reducing efficiency. Use a vacuum with a brush attachment to clean these areas thoroughly. Compressed air can help remove stubborn debris from hard-to-reach places. Following these 5 troubleshooting steps will resolve most cold air problems with Vornado heaters. These basic checks address the most common causes and can get your heater working properly again. If basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve the cold air issue, the next step is to inspect your heater's power cord for damage or loose connections. A damaged power cord can prevent proper electrical flow to the heating elements, causing the heater to blow only cold air. Next, listen carefully to your heater when you turn it on. A humming noise without the fan turning indicates a potential motor issue. If you hear humming but the fan isn't turning, this typically indicates a seized motor or damaged fan assembly that requires professional repair. When basic troubleshooting fails, it's time to consider professional help or warranty service. Vornado offers a comprehensive 5-year warranty on their heaters. If your unit is still covered, professional repair through their customer service department is your best option for reliable, safe restoration of heating function.